With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. The question that is given over here is an example of gene therapy is. So the options are production of injectable hepatitis B vaccine. The second option is production of vaccines in food crops like potatoes which can be eaten. The third option is introduction of gene for adenosine deaminase in persons suffering from severe combined immunodeficiency, that is SCID. And the fourth option is production of test tube babies by artificial insemination and implantation of fertilized eggs. Now, let us first study what is gene therapy. Now, if suppose there is a DNA with a normal gene expression. So, this is the genome or the DNA sequence of a normal protein, or it is a normal gene. This normal gene will give rise to a normal RNA, and this normal RNA will give rise to a normal protein. Now, if there is an abnormal DNA sequence, it can be due to mutation or anything. Now, this particular abnormal DNA sequence will result in an abnormal gene. This is an abnormal gene. And this abnormal gene will not give a proper RNA. This abnormal RNA will give rise to a malfunctioning or not correctly functioning protein. Now, because of this difference in the abnormal and the normal protein constituents, this particular protein might be doing normal functioning and this will not be doing no normal function. Now, what is gene therapy? Gene therapy is the process or a procedure wherein this particular abnormal gene is replaced by the normal gene constituent, so that even the person that is carrying an abnormal gene or a mutated gene can able to be produce a normal gene. So this is what is gene therapy. Now, the example for gene therapy is one particular disease known as SCID, that is given here in the third option. It is a severe combined immunodeficiency disease that is caused by the deficiency of ADA. ADA is nothing but adenosine deaminase. So adenosine deaminase is an enzyme that is very important for the immune system. Now, if there is no ADA gene or if the ADA gene in a person is mutated, now for example, consider this to be the ADA gene. This is abnormal ADA gene. Now, it will be producing abnormal ADA, that is adenosine deaminase. So now this particular man or woman will be suffering from the disease known as SCID. Now what did the scientists do? They just performed gene therapy. They changed this particular sequence of the gene that is responsible for causing the enzyme ADA, an abnormal ADA, and they have inserted the original genome sequence there. Now they could treat this particular SCID disease. So if you see the options, the first option here is production of injectable hepatitis B vaccine. It's nothing related to vaccines. Even the second option tells it is the production of vaccines in food crops. Even this is the wrong answer. And if you see the last option, it is the production of test tube babies by artificial insemination and implantation of fertilized eggs. Obviously no. So the correct answer for this given question is option 3. That is introduction of genes for adenosine deaminase enzyme in persons suffering from severe combined immunodeficiency disease.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.